Hello guys, it's me, Ralphie Dog, and I'm going to be doing a YouTube video on Need for Speed Rivals. So yeah, this is only going to be a short video so it uploads quick, and it's my first video, so I'll wait for it to upload once I've done it. So yeah, so this is basically just a show my cars video. So first one we've got on Rivals is a Porsche Cayman S. Now it's a good car, it's the first car of the game. So moving on very quickly to the sorry, my friend's online. 2015 Ford Mustang GT, Dodge Challenger SRT8, good, cool car. Aston Martin Vanquish. If you look on the back, if you have this game and you've got like the disc thing, whatever, the case which comes with the disc, yeah, if you've got that, look on the back. And yeah, I've got that car and the paint job. We're moving on to the BMW M3 GTS. Once it comes, there you go. Good look at it. The 2014 Mustang GT NFS movie, Need for Speed movie car. Those of you who watch the movie, it's the car in the movie. Blue stripes, white colour, but I've changed it into a monster car, energy car. Corvette Chevrolet Stingray, Mercedes-Benz SLS Black Series. So yeah, entertaining. Porsche 911 GT3. Yeah, good car. Audi R8 Coupe V10 Plus. Good car too. 5458 Spider. Good car, yeah. Nice, it's Italian. Lamborghini Gallardo LP 574. Italian car. Good car as well. McLaren 12C Spider. Yeah. Ford GT. I've got a rusty paint job on it. Looks cool. Golden rims. 599. Yeah, 5599 GTO. Porsche 918 Spider. Ferrari F12. Sorry if I'm doing this quick, I just want this video, quick video. We're near the end now, so. Lamborghini Aventador LP 724. Good car. Lamborghini Veneno. Good car. Enzo Ferrari. I'm not sure how you pronounce this, but Bugatti Harrier. I'm just going to stick with Harrier. McLaren P1. These are, okay, we're moving on to the DLC cars. I haven't got all of them, but I've got most of them. We're going to start off with the DLC cars. Lamborghini Gallardo Super Trofeo. I don't know how to say that. Yeah, so it's a racing car. Lamborghini Miura. Compact. Old car. Lamborghini. Italian. The Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. And these will be the cars that I'm driving in future videos. This is just a quick video. So, yeah, Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. GTA Spano. And this is not from GTA. This is a Spanish supercar. And it does say GTA on the back. In the real car. And on this. Okay, moving on to the last two cars. The Mercedes-Benz McLaren SLR Roadster. Last but not least, Koenigsegg 1. Very good car. So that's about it, guys. Share this with your friends, like, comment and subscribe. And in a list below, in the description below, I will put the list of games that I've got. So subscribe. In comments below, say what games you want me to play. Vote them that I put on the list. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye. Yeah. So see you later. Bye.